Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You're watching a weekly link up with me, Anna Kasatkina. We'd like to discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with technical analyst Petar Yakimovic, and we'll try to forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. The highlight of the week is the Fed symposium in Jackson Hole, with the focus on the testimony of Jerome Powell. Most experts shared the viewpoint that the Fed's leader would announce a change in the forward guidance. This is what actually happened. The Fed's chairman officially confirmed the strategy of targeting average inflation. In other words, the central bank will allow consumer inflation to moderately surpass the 2% target level for a certain period. And this policy is expected to offset those periods when inflation will be below this level. It means that the Federal Reserve will not raise interest rates even in case of higher inflation. No wonder such rhetoric took the shine off the US dollar for investors. In response, the US currency slipped across the board. What prospects do technical charts unveil for popular currency pairs? Let's find out from our technical expert Petar Yakimovic. Hi Petar. As usual, let's start our link up with analysis of the euro-dollar pair.
Hello dear traders. On the euro versus US dollar, basically what I found according to a daily time frame is that this currency pair is basically in the very big sideways regime. Basically I found that there is we got inside days. The last few days we're inside of this mother candle, and I will watch for potential breakout of this sideways base. So basically resistance is set at the price of 1.1885. And the support of this trading range is set at the 1.1755. So I will say if the price will break the resistance at the 1.1885, there is a potential for test of 1.1965. But on the other side, if you see the breakout of the support at the 1.1755, I see there is a potential for the 1.1700 to be on the test, or 1.1450 even, if there is a bigger downside breakout. So I expect a further, definitely the breakout will happen of this of the inside days formation. So I will carefully watch for this bracketing market and carefully watch for the breakout mode to confirm the further direction.
Well, as we see, the currency pair has already broken the lower border of the trend line, so the price is set to move downwards. Perhaps the pound-dollar pair is going to trade in a similar way.
On the British pound versus US dollar, basically what I found is a pretty similar situation. So we got a bracketing market for the last 20 days. So we got a resistance at the 1.3265 and the support at the 1.2990. The downside breakout support will eventually the GBP versus USD to test 1.2800 level, but the breakout resistance at the 1.3265 might lead the British pound to test 1.3420. So a similar situation is happening, similar situation like compared to the euro dollar. So bracketing market, British pound is even doing bigger bracketing market, last 15 to 20 days pretty much sideways. So watch for breakout mode on the British pound versus US dollar.
And now could you please comment on the situation with the Japanese yen? Earlier today we got to know the shocking news about the resignation of Japan's Prime Minister.
And the USD Japanese yen actually looks very interesting because there is already breakout happening here of the 3-day balance, and there is a breakout to the upside. So I'm expecting further upside and further continuation, probably towards the 107 level or 107.45. So I will watch for buying opportunities, and my expectation is the upside on this currency pair.
Thank you, Petar, for your trading recommendations. See you next week. You've watched the link up on InstaForex TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina, and Petar Yakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex. We wish you always profitable trading and see you soon.